2, 3, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jondee and you are watching Just Jondee. Now, I know it's been a long time coming. I've been here and there on YouTube. My longest actually was the video before this, which is almost a year old actually. But I just have other priorities and YouTube just isn't one of mine. In other words, I have more priorities to focus on, like my actual job, my side job, and other stuff like that. So YouTube is just like in its own little section that just, I will touch it when I'm ready, but you know, it's just there until I decide to invest in it again. With all the editing and all the filming and all the other stuff that needs to be done for YouTube, it's just a lot. So I will try my best. I can't promise that I will post again soon, but I will post. So with that out of the way, if you are new here, my name is Jondee. I do lots of different videos actually. I do vlogs, I do skincare, I do fashion, etc, etc, etc. So if you like that little mix of stuff, please subscribe. Now with formalities out of the way, let's address the elephant in the room. Now today's video, we are going to unbox my new Prada bag. I discovered this bag was with a YouTuber, her name is Sophie. She does a lot of like lifestyle, luxury designer, brands, fashion, etc. Which I highly recommend subscribing to her because not only does she do fashion and all that, but she also does really in-depth, thorough discussions on stuff like Chanel's price increase and just those very thought-provoking discussions. So I highly recommend following her if you like those kinds of things. And this is where I discovered that bag. So it was in her video, the Prada It bag of 2020, which is this one. So this originally retailed for $3.95 and I was planning on getting it, just not all in March when I discovered when I saw that video. So as time passed by, I knew that other luxury brands were increasing their pricing, Louis Vuitton, Chanel. So I was like starting to like fully invest in wanting this bag, but something just kept telling me no, let's just do it another time. I had other bills to pay, other finances, other priorities. So I kept pushing this baby off. And then like a few weeks ago, I think like the price rose on Prada and I was so upset. So this originally retailed for $3.95 and right now currently on Prada it's at $4.40, so that's a $45 increase, which is not bad in a sense. It was just really like, oh my god, I'm gonna spend $45 more just for this one. I could have gotten this like a month or two ago. So I was highly upset. So I decided to keep waiting. You never know. What if another retailer tried to sell it for its original retail price? Or Prada decides to one day be like, you know, never mind. Let's lower it back to where it originally was and then we'll do it that way. But it wasn't happening there. So I saw it on Farfetch. Farfetch, it was still $3.95, but I was like, let me not just get it now. Let me just get it another time. And then one day after I got a hangover from the night before, I was just like, fuck it, let me just buy it. It's $3.95, it's back in stock. Because I think Farfetch only carries like a limited amount because every time I see it, it's like gone in the next few days. So it was $3.95 there. I was like, done, I'm just gonna get it before price increased, and I got it. And funny enough, a few days ago, it actually went to $4.40, so on Farfetch. So I'm very, very happy I got it for its original retail price rather than paying $45 more for this bag. But this is my little baby. I love it. I don't know what it is yet, but I love this little baby. I got it off of Farfetch. It came very fast. I ordered this on Saturday and it came in on Tuesday. And considering with COVID-19 going around, which I hope everyone is doing safe, please always wear a mask, social distance when you need to, take all necessary precautions. And if you don't, then please unsubscribe. But I did get this off of Farfetch. Now, again, I ordered this on Saturday. It came on Tuesday, which it was my first time ordering. Zero complaints at all. I didn't need to bother with customer service. Didn't need to bother with DHL, which is their carrier. It's shipped from the actual Prada warehouse. So when you order from Farfetch, it actually tells you where it's shipping from. Farfetch doesn't have an actual store, I believe. I think it's a website that they take from other warehouses. That way they sell it from there. So that's what Farfetch is. So I got it from there. The packaging is cute. It comes with cute little stickers. This one is the cutest one by far. It's actually an Italian heart, an Italy flag in the shape of a heart that says Farfetch. So I think that's really cute. And then I believe this is their original one. It just says Farfetch, but in like that sort of iridescent chromatic look. So that's what comes in it, and then it comes in a little receipt and a little folder, so that's really nice. And the reason why I also got this is because I actually, let me get it. This is my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 19. I originally ordered this all the way in March, like the middle of March, and that was when New York was already on pause. So I ordered this a week before we were on pause, and I never took it out. Like, this baby has been sitting in my room since the pandemic. So me and it have a really great relationship at home, but this, because it's such a sleek, clean little clutch bag, because I would like to use it as a clutch. You know, it's a cute and on it, put it on your arm, carry it like this. It's really cute, but it just doesn't work with a lot of outfits. I feel like this type of bag is more designed for like evening wear. So that's why I really like this bag, but it wasn't as versatile as I wanted it to be. So I was just like, let me order a new bag. So I never took this out. I'll probably take it out in December or in November or October once we start actually wearing more layered clothing, because I think it'll look good with it. But this is gonna stay in my closet for a bit until I decide to take it out. So now we can unwrap it. It comes with a cute little ribbon and the bag. Comes with the dust bag, of course. And you ready? 3, 2, 1. The gloriousness of it. Come on. Now, of course, like all designer brands, it all comes with an authenticity card. This Prada bag also comes with. It actually comes with 2 authenticity cards. The first one is the certificate card, which is a white card from Prada that says the article number, the material, the color, etc. An RFID black card, which looks like this. It matches the information on the white card, so that's how the Prada certification authenticity cards look like. I guess you probably need this if you like need repairs or something like that, so I would always bring it. Plus, if you're planning to resell, it's always good to carry authenticity cards. I'm a very minimal person. I don't like to take a lot of things. That's why I like a more reduced, smaller size rather than carrying so many different things. So that's why I got this. And another thing why I got this is because it's so off-duty, you know, like it's very versatile. Like it's sleek because it's a black on black, but you can also dress it down with shorts if you want to. You could wear it obviously with more formal wear if you wanted to because of its look, but this is how it looks. It comes with a strap and little handles and then the top side. Now this is 100% nylon. It comes with a little strap made of 100% Saffiano leather and their little buckles, which has Prada all around it. It comes with the 2 little like fringe leather things, which also has Saffiano leather on it. Their little actual Prada logo is over here. And I think this is a really, really cute bag. Like you can't go wrong with it. Now, when I open it, this, I'm telling you, there is so much space in here. Now, the inside comes in the signature Prada fabric. It'll say Prada all around it with some sort of like arabesque pattern, and then under it is like sort of like a tight knit rope pattern to it. This is how it looks expanded. It looks like that. Bucket bags are a huge trend right now in 2020. So if you do like this type of style, by all means go ahead and get it. I didn't like it at first. It had to like warm up to me to actually like it, but I really like this bag now. So it looks like that. And then you can hold it with the strap like that. Now Sophie has also suggested this, which is why I ordered this. There's nothing stopping you from putting a little strap on this. Like there's little loops around the actual bag that you can actually hook a leather strap on it or a clasp. I got a little small strap so that I can just hold it like that if I wanted to, but you could wear this cross body if you want to get a longer strap. So again, this is a really versatile bag if you ever decide to actually want it. Again, it retails for $3.95. So if you like this kind of bag, if you like the bucket bag sort of trend, I would get it. Really versatile piece. You can match it with a lot of different things. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this bag for the summer. Again, I'm probably also gonna like merge this. This is a very versatile bag. So off duty, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with a tank top, up to you. If you decide to wear it with pants, if you decide to wear it with loafers, it'll still work really nicely. I'll have a little handle on it, a little leather handle on it. So it's also gonna look really nice if I decide to wear it with the little handle. Maybe I'll do a little update in the next few months or so to see how it holds up. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Comment down below what you think about this bag. If you want me to do more of these videos, let me know. If you have any other video suggestions, definitely let me know and I will do my best to do it for you. And yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I will see you soon.